Hey there, shopkeepers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete Day Realm's Hidden Treasure in Moonlighter 2. Day Realm's Hidden Treasure is an early quest given to you by Eris, who can be found right beside your shop. However, it's a pretty vague quest, and the only real clue you're given is that the treasure can be found in an area where you can hear the sound of a hammer. To complete this quest, head into the dungeon for a run, and make sure to follow a path that leads you to a blacksmith zone. Once you're inside the blacksmith zone, explore the area and you should eventually find a portal that looks like this. Just keep in mind that the layout of these zones is randomized, so if yours looks different from mine, don't worry. Simply check every corner of the blacksmith zone and you should eventually find the portal. Interact with the portal, then continue and complete the obstacle until you reach the hidden treasure. At the very end, you'll find a recipe that unlocks a new craftable large sword called the Vow. And that's how to complete Day Realm's Hidden Treasure in Moonlighter 2. If this helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.